Hello everyone, it's Dino, and today we are here with and Marco's the funny man. Today we're going to be looking at Planet Cringe, which that happened like a month ago, and these idiots, I don't know what the funny man is doing, but he is doing something. Oh god. Yeah, he's acting like an idiot, of course. Okay, anyways, Planet... Gosh, this is the only good thing that just... Okay, alright, am I sharing my screen? Yes, of course I am. I hate Orf. Okay, we already looked through that. The last D. They spelled it wrong. Oh god, I'm not even gonna do it. Marco the funny man. Please help. Wait, what is this? Hold up, I don't want to be... Hi! My voice, don't bully Moon. Don't bully Moon. Moon, are you okay, Moon? Don't bully it again.
I'm not having a seizure, I'm not sweating.
Imagine using powers. My god. My voice sucks. Bro. Yeah, she used powers. Hell banner, yes. This is not how. This is. Where am I here in space? Welcome to the van world. Orf. Okay, this is too lazy. I don't want to go through this. Is anyone seeing this? Is anyone seeing this? It's not. Save me. No. Oh, god, my voice sucks. It's bad. Shush. Deal with the aliens, blah blah blah. Can't, oh, what? No, Can I hold them? Let's see this. Okay, babies, here is your new brother. Purple Galaxy. Marco, what is this? Are you kidding me? Can I hold them, Mama? He just defeat us. Me. Oh god, okay.
I keep focusing on the HP.
You good?
No, I'm not.
Oh, there's a roleplay. This Gary dies very, very, very good. Sorry, y'all. You can only I can't even. And you're or want to have. Okay, I can't read. There's this text bar thing. Okay, I'll check on the other babies. What are they? How are they giving birth? How do they give birth? How do they give birth? Bro, this is okay. I'm not gonna try to be rude, but this is like very poorly done. Oh wait, hey creature. Oh wait, oh my god. Okay, someone did it. Well, there is Mars here. I can't.
That's my dog.
Oh god. I don't know. The girl from Mars. Okay. That's okay, let's see what's... Oh god, my history is gonna be full of cringe. About Orf. If planets have a meaning, oh my god. I'm trying to look for something cool. Peace and love and blah blah blah. Ticking meme? Okay, let's do this, Buster. Yeehaw.
Why?
I don't know. Yeah, one of my friends is ticking. Okay, how long does this go?
Okay.
Yeah. Enjoy, guys. This is. Oh, I hate those people. You know when those people like save the Earth, and they just do nothing, literally nothing about it.
Save the turtles.
No, don't see them. Put plastic in there. Or
Here?
smoking weed.
See?
Oh my god. Where did she get that scar? Oh, he's dead. Like, okay, yeah, no thanks, no. We can't have the sickness going around. It's too, we can't have that, no. I don't want this whole thing about, yikes, you know. Oh god.
Oh my god, I'm reading roleplay. I'm scared.
Imagine trying to figure out what we're doing. This is like 6 minutes of terribleness. Reacting to, okay, no, oh no, no. What is this? Bro. We have like Marco the Funny Man just playing this huge music. What is this supposed to be? Oh my god, Donald Trump be like, they just crop that out. Wait, were you too lazy to like put it in other things? Wait, did he? He just cropped things out. He does not know what to do. I like the music in the background that someone's playing. Brr.
I like trains.
Things. Oh god, bro, I can't even. the like funniness of the background music is literally going up. With you want to play it? Oh god. We're going to. We're gonna be looking a lot. No one is abusing animals on my watch. Okay.
I'm scared.
One day my mom's gonna look up this and she's gonna be very concerned. What am I looking at? This is not teaching me anything. Are we supposed to expect like? My God, who's playing this? Who's playing the best song ever? God.
Don't mind me in roleplay.
Oh my God.
Just talking to myself.
Imagine taking, expecting, just saving the Earth from this idiot. Imagine. God, bro, okay,
Imagine saving the world from the other creatures.
Imagining.
Imagine the Alex Train kids in real life.
Oh my God. No. Bro. Okay, this is another cringe. Yeah, that kind of be horrible though. The Dwarf Planet song. Everyone, should we look at the Dwarf Planet song? Everyone, look. The Dwarf Planet. Oh god, my mom's gonna be so cute. My
Wait, talking about the raid.
Oh, I might be copyrighted if I play this song, so I'm not gonna actually do it. I don't know how copyrighted things work. I really don't.
Master Snake?
Master Snake? I don't know. Let's have a talk. You know, been following Blur. Yes, Blur. They change your class. Oh god, someone left. Oh man, the funny man left. Carbon. So if you go blame on the IU, not your Dwarf Planet. And you're not thrilled the plan to be here. Let me get my best singing accent. But if you look at what makes you a planet great, what makes a planet? What makes a planet? Yeah, an orbit star. Yeah. God, this sucks. Clear neighborhood. Yeah. Oh my god, this sucks so bad. It's so bad. Round. Yeah.
Welcome back to the Hell Realm.
Yes, I am looking at Planet Cringe. Yeah. I'm making.
Don't mind me in roleplay, just having fun with
Yes. Yeah. You're not You're not clear. Haha, stupid. You don't have enough. If you don't know that. Sorry, I'm having a stroke. Okay, if I play this song like
Look at my roleplay. I can't find it. I lost.
Bro, wait, this is literally not about anything about this.
I'm literally in a cave. Hiding from us.
Why are they going back again? Why are they going back?
I go quit.
I am serious, but I am dark, but I have bright spots. Are you a disco ball? Well, looking like a disco ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't read. Yeehaw.
I have to have my phone on checker, so I won't be able to.
Wait, is your camera on?
Yes.
It's just a black screen.
Oh.
Okay.
God, bro.
I do.
What? Wait, everyone, look. Go to my screen. What the? Why is she peeing? She's on this one. Why is someone peeing? Yes, Mom. Sorry. My mom came in and just got mad. She thought I was screaming even though I wasn't. Now the idiots are here. And I don't know if I'm showing... Okay, I'm showing my screen. And now the idiots are...
Who is this?
I don't... You see this...
Show us up to Dino Beyond.
That's my old one. That's my old one. Don't look at that.
I'm gonna look at it.
Oh no. Oh god. People like from that is just gonna be like... Here, let me try to find you.
I'm your only view.
I'm your only view.
Hey.
So
Hey,
sad.
Buster.
What?
Like,
Hey, Buster.
What? Wait.
Not the other Buster.
Oh, okay.
Me?
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Buster?
yes, you.
Okay, no.
yeah.
Do you
We're
have
not
a YouTube channel?
Yes, and I'm not telling you. Because it's very
Okay, but we're not accepting you will no here. We don't allow that in the channel.
I have a YouTube channel, but I post cringy stuff on it, so...
Look, man, it's not that cringe. Oh, what this? What is
Yeah.
this? Everyone.
I'll put it in the self-promotion.
Everyone. Look at
with
this,
my
McDonald's. It's literally McDonald's. Oh, it's an ad, sadly. I thought it was actual McDonald's. First, I have no clue.
I'm scared. What is this?
It's called This Planet is of our solar system. Why is she high? Why does everyone look like they're high? Oh, that's kind of weird. Got me a little.
I don't know what else to call you, but I'm gonna call you Creature. How was your day?
Why in the middle of like the recording? Sure. How was your day? Also, or just looking at this.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot you were recording.
Mercury, Venus, or Mars.
What are you watching?
Yeah, what am I watching?
Jupiter has a big head. He has a big head. What is she look at this?
Why?
This is what I'm saying too. Saturn. Oh. What?
Are you okay? Oh,
So badly I would have left, but I can't. Mercury, Venus, or what? Ooh. No one. Bro, look at Jupiter. Everyone, look at Jupiter. He has a big head.
That boy click.
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I'm Mercury, the smallest planet you see.
Oh, I see.
The hills could never live on me. My episodes would spin too fast.
Oh